Hi and welcome to this third video of the Data Science Accelerated course. Now we will see the basis of Python programming. We have to open the Anaconda Powershell. We can do this by click on Start and go to Anaconda Powershell prompt. So then we have to go to our folder where we are working. In my case, I'm working on this path. So in Sviluppo Jupyter Notebook, but you can work wherever you want. So remember that you can change directory by the command cd, that is change directory. You come back to the previous branch, in this case Sviluppo, ls, that is list. You can see inside the Sviluppo folder, however, just said, we have to work in Jupyter Notebook, so I'll go here, cd Jupy. Now you can autocomplete the name of the folder by click on tab in this way. Press enter. Okay, now I'm in the Jupyter Notebook folder, and now I can run the Jupyter Notebook by the command Jupyter Notebook, and it will run and it will open the client browser, and we just have a file of the Jupyter Notebook, that is this one. Here you can perform some simple operation on this virtual file system, such as you can duplicate, rename, move. For example, I can rename this file and I rename it like I don't know, Python base. Okay, you can see that I have write Python bases in this way, that Python bases are separated by underscore. That is a best practice in the Python language, but we can see it better later. So I'll rename it, and then I'll open this file. I have just to double click here. Okay, so this is a Jupyter Notebook worksheet. Excuse me, worksheet. That is it's more correct. The first thing that we have to observe is that we can write only in this cell. So we can, for example, print hello, how are you, and print it. How I have run this script, I have used the shortcut Ctrl plus space, but you also can select the cell in this way and click on run. Okay, stop will lock the process. You can save. You can add other cells after and before this. For example, if I want to create another cell, just up this current cell, I just have to select out of this frame just here, and I just have to click B. No, this will put the cell above, but if I want to put the cell up, I have just to click up in this way. Okay. So, in this first lesson, we will see the print function, that is command that will print to the video the argument that we have passed between these brackets. So in this case, I have put between the bracket, inside the brackets, a string that is hello, how are you, but we can also print a number, for example 29. Okay. And then I want to show you very important feature of Python language, that is a dynamically typed language. What meaning? That means we can assign to the same variables, for example, in this case a, different type value. What are type values? Type values are things like an integer, just for example 1, or a float number, so that is a decimal number, 1.0, or a character, or a string, or a Boolean. A Boolean type is a kind of type that can can assume only two states, true or false. And then we have the known type, that is nothing. That means that the variable doesn't contain nothing. So these operations are assignment operation. Then we have to focus on the string type, because it's a very important type in the Python coding, because the string type is structured in this way. He have different char, h, a, comma, space, a, and so on, and each character have a number associated. In this way, I show you now. So I click outside of the frame, I click B, so we have some cells that we can use, and this is a string. A string S. Okay. For example, hello. Okay. And this string, each char is associated to the number in this way: 0, age, 1, I, and so on. We can get the single character in this way. Just let me comment this part. Another thing that is the hashtag is a comment, and a comment is a part of the code that is not an instruction. so it will not in not it will not it is used uh, to do nothing. It's just for explain the code. So the code's author um, can can write some comment to make his code easier. So now I can get the first character of the string hello in this way: s brackets, rectangular brackets, and 0. So I'll take okay. So this is a name error. Why? This is because S is not defined, but I have defined it. Yes, it's true, but I haven't run it. So I have to click here or to use the shortcut Control Space, and now, okay, H. Okay, so if I want to take the third char, remember that this count start from 0 to the length of the string minus 1. So if I want to take the third, I have to sorry, I have to put 2. Now, what's the problem with this? Okay, it is entering the markup mode, but I know I can do it here. Okay, L, the third char. If I want to get the last char, I have to take the length that of the string. Okay, so this function len will return the length of the string. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But because the count starts from 0, if I want to go to the last char, I have to write len of s minus 1, and then I have the last char. And if I do it, what happens? Index error, because I have I have to the sixth char that of the hello world, but the sixth char doesn't exist. Okay, for now it's all. We have if you are not familiar with the programming, with the coding, this is just enough. If you want to write some tips, if you want more videos on to focus on some argument, because for now it's too difficult, you can write under this video. Okay, for this video is all. Bye.